Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of 904 Fishing. Today we're at Jennings State Forest. I'm with three of my buddies, Nick, Joseph, Delaquan. You've seen Nick and Joseph. Delaquan's a new face. I don't know how much he's going to be in the video, but Nick and Joseph are over at their campsite right now getting the fire set up. Delaquan and I are at this campsite. I'm going to be sleeping in the element, as you guys know. Delaquan's going to be roughing it in a tent. Might not make it through the night. It's okay. So we got some MREs, some food. I got a ton of new stuff to show you guys on the element. As you guys know, I've been kind of converting it into like a faux camper kind of deal. So I got a ton of stuff to show you guys. So we're gonna get unpacked, get set up. Delaquan's got to put his tent together and we'll go from there. I think that went pretty well. Yeah, pretty well. I didn't stutter nothing. You got props. I know, right? I know. First thing I want to go over with you guys, because I like them a lot. I got these new lights put in. They're on toggle switch. I'll show you guys how bright they are later, but let's unpack. I'm starving. So I've got this solar panel here that I picked up that I just throw on the roof. I've got this battery here that I picked up from Harbor Freight. It's a solar battery. I got a solar panel controller charger, that cable coming down and running in. So then what I do is I clip these leads on here, and then I've got an inverter in there, and I actually run this fridge off it. I'll show you guys that in just a second. And you can see I'm getting 12.8 volts right now, and it is charging even though we're overcast and kind of got a overcast, cloudy day. Wire. So wires coming from the solar panel into the charger, and then the charger to the battery. And then I just take these clamps here, put it around. This turns on my inverter right there. Power it on. Tells me how much power I'm getting, 12.9 volts. 12.9 volts. And then this is the cable I have here for my fridge, which this is a new camping RV fridge that I got specifically to take out camping and fishing and stuff, so I can keep ice cold stuff in here. Right now it's 33 degrees. It does have a car charging port, so I was able to charge it on the way out here. And then once we get here, and I'm not gonna be running the car, I let the inverter take over, and it only draws power when the actual compressor's on. So it shouldn't take that much juice to run it, and it should stay on for most of the night, if not all night. I'm kind of curious, and we're gonna stress test it and see how well it does, but I can store all my extra cables in there when I'm not using them. And other than that, we're gonna unpack all the camping stuff and kitchen and all that and go from there. I might make some hot chocolate because it's cold and I could use something warm to drink.
I said it.
Yeah, but sweet chili, solid. Spot 'em.
No, I was looking for the opening.
Here, look. These are the corners, look, stop.
Shit. Little tiny tent.
Yeah, a little one-person tent.
Little tiny tent.
It is.
Oh, what's up, everybody? Hey, we're back. I'm gonna get a little closer here. We're out here in Jennings State Forest. What is this? This is near Bell Cemetery. Hammock Campground. It's perfect weather for it. I say that now. We might get a little bit of trace of rain tonight. Should be okay. Alex definitely overpacked, and he's gonna make it seem like maybe he didn't, and he'll find this when he's editing. But yeah, we got his buddy Delaquan out here visiting and joined us, We got him an air mattress that's definitely going to take up this whole tent if you're seeing that right now. We got backup if it doesn't work. I have an extra sleep roll. We got campsites 2 and 3. Alex is at 3. We were at 2. 2 vehicles per site. It's about a nippy 42 right now, roughly. Obviously a little bit cooler and colder in the woods, but honestly perfect. It's perfect for it. And he messed up by giving me the mic because I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna rotate the camera. Give him a little look-see. So as you can see, he's got the element fitted out. We're right over there. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little custom tilt down. It's me and Joseph over there. I ran a string. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna take a walk with me. We got a string that I'm running for our lantern to sit across the picnic table. It'll be nice. Got a little plug-in pump, and Alex has his battery packs, so that's working perfect for that. But yeah, we got a lot of good fun stuff coming here. Should be an enjoyable episode. I don't know how much of this is going to be cut out, but it's going to be a great time. We're going to have such delicious meals. It's not even funny. Like, it's going to be good. It's going to be a good time. Much needed to get out in the woods. And once y'all see this, plan for some time soon to get out there camping with your friends, your family, wife, girlfriend, boyfriend, whatever. Just get out there, and even just for the one night, it's nice. It's a nice, good release, stress relief. Just a nice time. Get out there, do some stuff, make some stuff, make fire. It makes you feel better. Here we go. Be primal. Be primal. Here he's gonna insert the drums. I said be primal. Be primal. Yeah, make a fire with your hands. Cook food with your hands. Sleep with your hands. I don't know. Like I said, well, he's because he didn't ask for it back yet. Oh, maybe it is like a little twin size. Is it like a twin size? See, that's how long it's been. I was a lot smaller when I used that last. That's probably been like 10 years ago. More. Oh yeah, let me bust mine out too.
That is a 1930s K-bar that I found in my aunt and uncle's garage, and they were like, "You can have it."
It's a 1930s K-bar?
Yes, it's pre-war K-bar.
Joseph, what knife is this right here?
It is a pre-war K-bar.
About 1930s K-bar. Very nice. What's that handle made of?
It's a stag, and the pommel, I believe, is aluminum.
That is quite the snazzy knife.
That's so sick. Hi.
Don't have the original sheath, unfortunately.
No, that's fine. You got the original knife.
Amazon special.
Yeah, I was about to say, it'll be all right for now.
And that does it up for me having a mic. I'm passing it off to Alex now.
Alrighty, guys. So for dinner, we got some delicious steaks planned out. We're doing steaks, mashed potatoes, green beans, and asparagus. And then for breakfast in the morning, we're doing biscuits and gravy. Did you tell them what we're doing for food or no?
I just said that we have white the food.
Oh yeah. We've also got some MREs we're going to be making and cooking and whatnot. I've been told that my MRE that I have isn't great tasting. So Delaquan's behind me getting his tent set up with the air mattress. I got to get my cot set up still, but yeah, this is what I have, and I've been told that this flavor is not super great. So we'll see. We'll go over that in a little bit. We'll open it up, see what's up with it, and how it tastes, because I'm hungry. Stay tuned.
My bad, I'm sorry.
So there's no loitering? Alright, we got stuff for s'mores. Of course, you know we had to do that. And then we've also got, check this out. Got some more of that pour over coffee. You guys saw me use this last time. And then I've also got on the go powdered coconut cream. We're pretty excited to try that out. And then of course we got some Cabela's steak rub. So the steaks we got are insane. You guys got to see these things. My God, they're massive. Looking forward to it. For right now, I think we're gonna make some of the MREs because I'm starving and I would like something to eat. All right, which one do I? So I'm eating the chili mac,
Chili Mac.
macaroni and
Chili
beef
Mac.
and sauce.
Chili Mac. Chili Mac.
See, okay, I grabbed that one because everyone said that one's the best.
Who's everyone?
Everyone I've ever talked to.
Okay.
You tell me the chili mac is not the best one.
It's okay. Is that a Tootsie Roll?
Yeah.
Back in my day, that wasn't a thing, my guy.
So let's see what we got here. I believe.
Wait,
I believe
put
that.
that down. Grab the cracker and see if you have cheese spread.
Apple jelly. What? I got apple jelly. What's wrong with apple jelly?
Gross.
Is it gross?
Yeah.
Is it gross?
It's cheese spread's better.
So I got crackers.
Crackers. Jelly.
I don't like that sound. I don't like the sound they're making. I got a Tootsie Roll.
That's new.
No, it's definitely not. It expired in 2013.
Oh my goodness.
We got the heating bag, of course.
Well, yeah, always put your water in there.
And we got a Pop-Tart.
And how old is this, Marie?
Oh,
I want you to check that.
doesn't say.
Interesting. But continue, my good sir. Continue.
I don't like that it doesn't say.
Your meal's ready to eat. That's all you need to know.
You gotta fold it, right?
At the bottom.
At the bottom?
Hmm?
That's the whole reason he got brought along. He's the professional. So this is the meal. This is the mac and cheese right here.
Yes.
So I gotta tear this off.
What do I do, man?
Put this in here. Or do I put this in here and then the water, or the water then this? Does it matter? Hang on.
Doesn't really matter. Usually you, Yep.
Wait. Remove MRE pouch, tear off bag, place MRE pouch and bag with heater. Okay, yeah, so this. And then I fill it with water.
Yep.
And then I fold it and.
Yep.
Okay, easy enough.
No, it gets hot too.
Do they?
That gets very hot.
It gets hot? It doesn't need a lot of water, does it? It needs like just a little bit.
You can fill it up. It's still also gonna be able to
Yeah, that's not bad. Okay, cool. So we've filled it. We're gonna fold it. And then we're gonna put it in the cardboard and go from there. First, should I try the crackers or the Pop-Tart?
Just eat the crackers and jelly first.
The crackers and jelly?
Yeah, it's just the Pop-Tart. I can't.
I don't like the way that sounds. I really
I
don't.
told you, is that what you really want to eat? Like, yeah, you know, it's fine, I got it.
I don't like the fact that I broke the seal and went like sucking air
I'm trying
in.
to help you.
Oh no.
That's the cracker. There's two of them.
There's two of them. Okay. All right. Oh Jesus.
That's not a bad cracker. You just don't taste it. It's not salty or nothing.
Yeah, I don't taste like nothing.
Yeah, this is what they give us. Yeah. Imagine having to eat this.
Go ahead and grab some water real quick.
Thank you.
Ooh. Okay, yeah. That's delicious. So you said the apple jelly's bad.
I don't know if you like it.
Ingredients, apple juice. I like how the first ingredient is apple juice. Apple juice, corn syrup, high fructose corn syrup, pectin, whatever that is, citric acid, and potassium sorbate.
Just crack it open and give it a taste.
Is it that bad?
Chili Mac's not my go-to.
So what, you just pop this bad boy in a cracker?
Yep.
Oh God.
I wonder how long you've had those. You actually might get sick.
What? From
Yeah.
the MRE? Nah.
You never know.
It doesn't smell like nothing. I don't like that. I really don't. This looks like a scene.
You asked me for input.
This looks
and I
like a
gave-
scene from SpongeBob. I don't know how I feel. Look at it. Look at it. I don't know how I feel about that.
I gave you input. I even told you not to get that one. What did you get that one? What's it taste like, brother?
It's pretty good. What? I don't like that. Why are you staring at me? What? What's wrong with this?
Nothing.
Why are you staring at me? What's wrong with the apple jelly?
Nothing.
What's wrong with the apple jelly?
Nothing. Thought you were different.
What's wrong with it?
I just thought you were different was all.
It's good.
No, it's okay. I get it.
What?
There were way better ones. You need to calm down.
This is the first one I've ever had.
Like ever.
Ever. I wasn't in the Army.
You don't have to be. You can
Or
go to-
any of the military for that matter. Nick, come here.
He's tensing right now.
What the?
So he built it in.
It's pretty good. I like it. It is. It's good. I mean, the cracker tastes like what I would imagine silence tastes like.
Now this one.
That's yours, yeah.
You should have ate this one.
Penne with vegetables, sausage crumbles, and tomato sauce. Sorry,
I'm
spicy
just
tomato
checking
sauce.
off the Tootsie Rolls that are in there. Those are not. No Tootsie Pops.
Yeah.
No Tootsie Pops. No nothing.
Yeah, we also got a Tootsie Pop.
Tootsie Pop. Reduce sodium.
Peanut-free and gluten-free, certified.
Interesting. Tell me more about it, Chi.
It expired in 2013. Don't know how I feel about that. Yeah, that cracker tastes like silence sounds.
How do you think the bread tastes?
Like, there's bread.
Yes, there's bread.
I have been in like a mountain in dead silence, like no sounds, no nothing, like splunking. This cracker tastes like what that sounds like.
Okay, calm down.
Ah,
Okay, could you just bite? Wait. Is this the bread? I have the bread.
you have the bread? No, you don't.
Brown sugar. It's a Pop-Tart.
Here, come sit next to me.
What, son?
So what's wrong with the apple jelly? Is it supposed to be bad? Are there better ones?
I've never heard of the apple jelly. That's the issue.
What do you mean you've never heard
I've
of that?
never heard of that. Like ever. And you think it's good? It's the crazy part to me.
So I heard the vegetarian MREs are like the best ones. Is that true?
Yep.
That's true?
Yep.
No.
So I told you so. I literally told you this one. I literally told you this one. What do you do? Oh, well, which one do you want? Is chili mac good? Eh. Eat the chili mac anyway. You haven't even tried it yet.
I haven't. It's just 1 minute.
I promise you, it's done warming. It takes like 2 minutes.
Does it really?
Yes.
No.
Yes, huh?
Oh, that's like hot. Oh, that feels good actually.
I know. Good gracious.
So when you were out in the jungles of South Carolina, how many of these did you eat? Like, is it like y'all really eat these for like weeks at a time? That's crazy entirely. See, that's why I'm not worried about this meal, because we're having delicious steaks later.
Those ruck marches and stuff, they give us MREs. Water buffalo.
A Pop-Tart should not do that.
MREs, water buffalo.
This Pop-Tart expired 5/01/2. Pop-Tart's from 9/11. That's crazy. That's crazy entirely. Yeah.
I want even 3. Brother.
5/01. This is from just after 9/11, or just before 9/11. That's crazy. Look at this. Shut the f. You're so dumb. I don't like that the Pop-Tarts lasted this long.
It was artificial. It's supposed to last. I have not eaten one of these in 7 years, man. That's not okay.
You made it 7 years. Hey Nick, you want to eat a Pop-Tart that's older than 9/11?
Ask
It came in the MRE.
the military.
What? I'm eating it right now. What? Yeah, yeah. This was before they took out all the good stuff.
Okay. Oh, damn.
What? They're hurting your ears? How? Are they new? They haven't been stressed out by your big head yet?
Mm-hmm. Take your first bite. Yeah, take your first bite.
This looks so unappetizing. Look at this, you guys. That looks... This looks terrible.
No, come on. First bite.
This looks terrible. All right.
Take a bite. You've had worse.
I have, but this is not good. Why does this taste like the cracker?
Like nothing.
Like nothing.
Exactly.
This is what we're feeding our troops? Oh my God. This is awful. Oh my God.
Oh, shit.
Hold on, wait a minute.
Listen.
Wait, I got this. Papa's Perfect.
Goodbye.
Salt-free seasoning.
Goodness gracious. Like I literally warned you.
I think, like,
Imagine-
my God.
Imagine eating that every 6 hours.
Imagine going out on a ruck, hauling 100 pounds worth of shit behind you, on your back,
On your back.
on your back.
With plates in your front.
Full plates?
Yes.
Full plates in your front. Pause. And then stopping, and they're like, all right, guys, grub time. And you're like, I'm so hungry.
After
And you
like
get this.
I did like an hour and a
That's
half.
crazy. That's crazy. All right, let's put some, we're gonna put some salt in here. And we did some of this Papa's Perfect seasoning.
Here's a whole screw plate here.
Good. All right, we're gonna try this, see if there's any better here. Do some of that. See, look at that Papa's Perfect seasoning. It's terrible.
Oh my God.
This is so, I'm not eating this. This is so bad.
You're so excited too. That's the
I
crazy
was. Where's the meat? There's supposed to be meat in this, I
part. There's
thought.
no meat in that.
Chili and macaroni. Chili has meat in it.
Beans. Yeah, unless you add your own meat. Here's beanless. Well, meatless chili. Then
This
there's
is
beanless.
terrible.
Yeah, imagine eating that.
Nah. And then, you know what's crazy is people choose to re-enlist willingly because they get you with that bonus, and then it gets held up,
And then you want to
and then
discharge
you
yourself.
never get it.
And then you can't discharge yourself because they don't feel like you need to leave right now. And so they prolong your discharge.
Same. Smells the exact same.
No, it smells like nothing. Yeah, it's crazy.
What is that?
A little harder.
That's my heat packet. That's what I'm saying.
I feel no heat.
Oh,
What's that natural,
hang on, try the-
authentic flavor taste?
Try the chili mac. I want you to try the chili mac.
He has to digest the
Well, it
Pop-Tart
tastes
first.
good. It just tastes like if you put it in the freezer for 23 years. Let me get that out of my teeth because it's history in the making.
Right. You have to try the apple jelly and the grape jelly.
Yeah, I was about to say
and
we're
all
gonna
that
have to
too.
try the apple jelly and the grape jelly and stuff.
Oh, what's wrong with it? Did you put enough water in it?
Yeah.
What doesn't kill you makes you stronger.
Are you gonna finish this?
No.
Oh, thank you.
Are you?
Oh yeah, there's nothing wrong with this.
I'm done. There's no way.
Y'all don't like this?
You like that?
I've had too many of them.
That's fair. No, it's better than Chef Boyardee beefaroni.
No, there ain't no way.
It is.
There ain't no way.
It is.
Wait.
Now, the chili macs though.
You got the old ones. The newer ones are labeled.
So the chili macs though, are those like
They
meals?
come in a brown packaging and all that. They have the label on it. It tells you what's on.
I
it.
do have one of those. I have.
That's
The,
what my beef
Those,
stew
those
is.
are going to be better than. Yeah.
But so is it? What is this one like? The meal ready to exit or refusing to exit? Joseph, do you have a spoon? You can use mine. I'll wipe it off.
You can use mine. Either or.
Gotcha.
Joseph, look what you made me do.
he wiped it on his shirt
Oh,
and then he
is that
goes,
it?
"Nah,
Oh,
it's
my
fine."
bad.
Yeah, that's
Is
a
that
chili
chili
mac.
mac?
It's good.
It's
It's
good.
not.
It's not.
Alex
That's
thinks it's
crazy
gross.
entirely. It's not good.
The finest, lowest bitter slop taxpayer dollars can buy.
I said, "This is what we're feeding our troops," and he goes,
I will say this:
That's good.
it's bland.
"Yeah,
It is slightly better warm or hot.
yeah, I didn't warm with it."
If you heat it up, you put some salt in it and some hot sauce,
Yeah,
We don't have salt and hot sauce in the middle of nowhere.
or ideally,
sand.
if your MRE comes with a packet of the jalapeno cheese, you put that in there, and all of a sudden it's actually
This is grape jelly. I don't like how the grape jelly looks exactly the same as the apple jelly.
they all look the same.
I don't like that
you
the
want
jellies
another
look
bite?
exactly alike.
Is nobody else gonna eat it?
No.
I'm gonna eat it too, but we can share it.
We
Go
can
ahead,
share it.
go ahead and get a bite. You have no idea how many of those I ate when I was a child.
What, just MREs?
Yeah,
At least 50.
too many.
They catch up to you eventually.
They do.
This might make it better.
That will most certainly make it better.
Well, I tell you what, this is like,
Ugh.
Is it bad?
what's the other one?
Ugh.
No.
Ugh.
No, sir.
Yummy.
No,
Oh,
sir.
well, that's why it's the reduced sodium MRE.
Penne par. Not
What
penne
is that?
par.
Is that chili mac?
Penne and veggie.
Oh, it smells fine. What's the other one? It's
The
not
Sal-
Olive Garden.
The
It's not
Salisbury
Bennigan.
steak
Fine.
one actually hits pretty good.
Where did you find?
What's that other Italian restaurant?
Carrabba's?
Yeah,
Gross.
this is Carrabba's when you got drones flying overhead.
Yeah. It's Carrabba's when it's a taxpayer-funded factory that's
Yeah.
I went to Carrabba's
employs
once and
only
never
fucking
again.
blind and deaf
Really?
people.
That's so bad. That smells terrible.
It smells significantly
so does
better.
that.
Did
when
you smell this?
But you
it
still
smells
eat it?
significant. That's not the worst thing I've ever smelled.
It's definitely not the worst thing I've ever smelled.
Of course,
worse than
it's,
ass though.
Try the cracker. Try the cracker.
the fact that it's
What, me?
cold isn't helping it though.
Just take a bite of it plain. And what are you doing? You gotta stop.
You.
So I
It's
tried
pretty
the
close,
cracker.
actually.
I tried the cracker and I said it tastes like what silence sounds like.
All right, this is my cracker.
No, the
Pop-Tart.
cracker. The cracker tastes like a open casket viewing in a church. Like
Are you saying it tastes like a wake?
Yeah, like the material that is in a coffin is, I imagine,
I'm
what it
done.
tastes like. Oh my goodness.
Is it like a communion
Oh, yours
wafer?
is a lot newer than mine. Yours is from 2012.
Interesting.
The older MRE crackers, when they still had salt on them, were much better.
Try the jelly.
It's certainly not bad.
Oh, the jellies.
Yeah, the jelly. I liked it. I thought it
It's
was.
jelly.
Yeah, I thought it was good.
Where'd
Here,
the
there's an open jelly right here. Try it.
where'd your nasty penne pasta go?
Right there.
Is it even warm?
Nope.
Are you gonna eat it?
Yeah.
Oh, did you not heat it up?
I
No,
can eat it.
that's his.
Really, the only
but you're
time you're
not-
gonna have
No,
jelly
he's gonna eat it.
that's
He's gonna eat it.
I'm eating it. Think
Do
about
you
it.
have
I'm just
utensils?
really the only
Nah, I just
time you're
pushed it
gonna
out the
have
container.
This man said I eat it like a Go-Gurt pop.
That
the only time you're really gonna have jelly that's totally unacceptable is in like county jail.
You got it. You tried it. Rate it out
That
of
one's
10.
not good. The chili mac's a lot better than that.
Yeah, it just tastes
That
like
has-
solidified grape juice.
Something else in there that shouldn't be. It's the aftertaste and in current taste, but
No, there's something. There's something wrong with that entirely.
either that taste goes away when it's hot, or
No.
or you scald
No,
your
sir.
taste buds with
No,
hot
sir.
coffee before. You know,
I like the jelly.
I think
think
there's
the
a
jelly's
method
good.
to it here.
It does. It tastes like solidified like apple juice or grape juice or whatever. What, you don't like it?
Really, with the jelly, you're best off just ripping the pack open and just like straight from the pack, like a
Taco Bell
Go-Gurt.
hot sauce.
I also had a Tootsie Pop. That was terrible.
Well, they
Well,
always
it's a
are,
Tootsie Pop.
honestly. Yeah.
or it's a
Fresh or
Tootsie
not.
Roll.
The
Yeah, I'm
Pop-Tart
definitely
literally just
making some
tasted like
ramen.
it's just been in the freezer for
You putting some hot sauce
like
in
like the flavor is the exact same. It's just it's just like more brittle, but the flavor is 100% the same as a brand new fresh Pop Tart,
Yeah, it's the whole Pop-Tart.
which is crazy.
Yeah, it's
You
called
are not gonna
Pop-Tart.
eat that
Mark
like a
one,
Go-Gurt.
not zero.
Yeah,
Unit of
literally.
issue, one.
there? You're gonna eat that like a Go-Gurt.
Yeah, you wouldn't.
That's unreal. See, this is how you know this guy's an expert. He's done this 1,000 times. I got that from
Ooh,
Bucko's.
that's hot.
Oh, unreal.
Oh, man.
Unreal. Unreal.
Oh, what to get it like a
Yeah,
Pepper
it's
in
Reaper.
there?
It's real. It's good.
Oh,
No, it's good. That dill Reaper, it's delicious.
oh, that's what you're saying was hot because you put some of that on there.
No, it's good. The dill's real prominent. It's delicious. I put that on my breakfast burrito last time we went
Wait,
fishing.
what is
Nick.
it? Dill pickle?
Yeah, dill pickle Reaper.
Ah, dang it!
It's really good.
It's insane.
How pickly?
I mean,
Just try it.
yeah, just try it.
let's try it.
Fuck, I just hate pickles.
If you
You don't taste the pickle.
look, sit down, try it.
All right,
You don't
this
taste
would be
the
some
pickle.
good content for you. I hate
It's
pickles.
really good.
Before you taste the
I hate
I like
pickles.
It's actually very balanced.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Like, it's not like it's trying to kill you hot.
Yeah.
You could definitely get carried away with it, though.
delicious.
Let's let it focus. You got on autofocus?
Nick, the mic's over here.
No,
And
I
yes, I have it on autofocus.
I wouldn't be showing the Pop Tart to the mic out.
We gotta keep the jellies to trade later. in
Where's the
house.
other great jelly?
I don't know. I think I got
See,
eaten.
I mean, like it's
I got eaten. Or no, well, it's kind of
definitely
wait.
dusty, but I mean,
Cause I opened one.
it's
I think this is the open one.
Who's those?
I think Joseph might ate it.
Probably did actually.
I don't blame him. It was delicious.
here's what it tastes like.
Listen.
Nick,
Pop Tart
Nick,
tastes
Nick,
like you
Nick,
toasted a Pop Tart
Nick.
for
Nick.
30 seconds too long. It tastes like you toasted a Pop Tart for 30 seconds too long,
Now it's hot.
and then you put it in the freezer for 3 weeks, and then you busted that bad boy out, and that's what you got. Not bad. Give this.
Start.
Wait, is that a mistake?
Citronella, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, no, you'd be alright.
Good God.
What? Yeah, it's hot. Made specifically. Look at this. Look at this, you guys. I have a spam slicer specifically to slice spam.
Where'd the jelly come from?
Put this through, just like that. And then boom, you got perfect slices of Spam to cook.
You're awful.
Perfect, uniform slices of Spam to cook. I'm gonna throw a little oil in there. What's wrong with the tiny spatula? You don't like it?
I just can't. I just can't.
I'm struggling so hard.
Nah, you're good. You're good. You got it.
Oh, it looks so good.
I just went on your butter.
Got some eggs here in this nice little 3D printed egg holder. Held them perfectly. Look at that. Cradles them in there. Look at that. Isn't that sick? 3D printed. Huge shout out, Chris. Thank you. Look. Right? Oh no, don't do that. You're gonna break the eggs. Wrong. The eggs are perfectly fine. Super sick. Love this thing. Thank you, Chris. All right, we're gonna make that egg in there in just a second. Get the ramen in there. Let's get our Spam in here. Set this off to the side. Vegetables too. Plate this egg. There we have it. Nice piping hot bowl of ramen. We're gonna go and enjoy this. Mm. Alrighty, guys. I'm gonna eat this ramen. I'll get back to you in just a little bit. What do we make with steak for dinner? For dinner tonight, the main course, we've got some steaks from Costco here. They're some pretty hefty boys. It's gonna be a good time. We got the griddle here. You guys remember that from the last camping trip? Should be a good time, I reckon. It's up to you. I think we'd be all right without it. Before the heat's getting to you, but you're about to pass out. I didn't know it was gonna be a full moon tonight. It's a nice little treat. Look at the size of these steaks. Nick, look at these things. That is a big steak. Not a ton of marbling, but oh, the meat thermometer. I gotta grab that too. That's in my car. Avocado oil. Yes, sir. Thank you, Joseph. I'm gonna go grab my meat thermometer real quick. Throw this away in the trash can on the way. Oh man. All right, here's our finished plate. We got mashed potatoes, green beans, unreal, pan fried kind of deal, just made there on the griddle. Got some asparagus, delicious. We're gonna chow down on the steak and then head to bed shortly. Unreal. See you guys in the morning. We're now in for the night. I got my sleeping setup here. All my lights and whatnot on in the element. Shut those off here in a minute. But I got 3 blankets, plenty of thermal clothing, so should be pretty good. It's 30 degrees out right now. It feels like 28. It's supposed to be 32 tomorrow morning, so should be a good time. See you guys in the morning. Yeah, pour over.
Who's your coffee, sir? Keep that on your legs, son, so it gets nice and toasty.
What are you gonna pour that into? Just the red Solo? That'll work.
He's just gonna stick it in his mouth and pour water into it.
I would not advise that. It's rather warm.
plug your nose and just swallow whole.
The coconut creamer is really nice, actually.
Creamer. Gotta rate it out of 10.
It adds a little bit of coconutty to it. It's pretty good. I also have sugar if you want sugar. 31? It's cold. It's very cold. How cold is it?
30.
It's 30 degrees right now. We're getting the fire going. We're getting warmed up by it. We're going to be making some breakfast here in a little bit. We're doing biscuits and gravy for breakfast. It's going to be a good time.
That bowl's alarm for this way. I have mine set at like 7.
Oh. We're going to get this started here. It's cold. Got some pork sausage, biscuits, a little flour, a little oat milk, butter, vegetable oil here. Let those both warm up.
Can't do that. My tiny ears.
Stir that up. Mm-hmm. Oh, that's good consistency there. Oh.
Oh, goodness gracious. Here, you put 'em.
Bottom smell a little burnt, but they'll be all right. Oh, that was so good. Oh, Lord. Little biscuits and gravy action for breakfast there. Unreal biscuit gravy. Or the gravy looks amazing. Well done, Nick. Oh, goodness.
Oh, I thought my leg fell off for a second. Who said that he can have the burnt one?
Mm.
That's the best one.
Mm.
Got it, tried it.
Oh, it's unreal. Alrighty guys, that's going to wrap up this video. Thank you for watching. We had a really good time out here. Had some good food, good friends, good conversations, great fire pit. Definitely going to come back to the site. I'm doing a silent camping video with Ezreal out here. I got a little one-person tent. We're going to be doing that. It's going to be a lot of fun. Anything to add, Nick?
And great laughs. It was a great time, great food. We stayed warm through the night, which was nice. Everything worked out really well. Bathroom's really nice. Sites are really nice. We actually had the most tucked campsite. I was about to say website. Yeah, we're just finishing packing up now, but really good time. Definitely needed it. And we had just the perfect amount of wood along with what we found, and really wasn't that much ice. So that was nice. Just a little bit of frost on the ground. You could see it dripping and melting from the trees. But, you know. Ah!
You're done.
Yeah.
Delaquan, anything to add?
Just what you guys know that I love you. That's all. Just about.
What a guy. What a guy. Well, if you guys haven't, click that subscribe button. Stay up to date on all our stuff. Nick and I are restarting the podcast this week, so keep an eye out for that.
We mean it this time.
No, for realsies this time. We'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Oh, God. It's so cold. My hands are so cold just doing the outro.